Here's our, this is our youngest bull. And man, he's so pretty. He's such a pretty guy. Yeah, I'm still working on this thing. I want to see if you can tell what it's becoming. Can you tell? Look, it's part of the herd. Piggy's in there stealing milk. We got enough spinach for Popeye.
That's garlic from Tractor Supply from 2 or 3 years ago. And it's making seeds on garlic.
And cement.
Yeah.
Minty garlic.
And garlic chunks.
Well, here it is, folks. Not 100% done. Still got to do a little bit of work, but here's a sample. Still don't know what it is. Stay tuned. Piggy Wiggy. Hey. Did you get fed? Did you already eat, huh? Silly butt. How are you?
I can put the phone down now.
I wonder what this is. Cut it. Cut it. Looky there. Yeah, those windows are dirty. Let me give you a little shot of the front. I think it's going to be awesome. I got more to do in here. I got some really pressing things I have to get done, so this is it for Kayla's greenhouse. Just in time for her birthday. There go the tools. Yeah, looks like a hot dog stand. Well, she could not wait. It's gonna take her a little bit of time to really get this thing set up the way she wants, but this is pretty cool. She's been having a tote plant in and out of the house constantly, and every morning get up. It's almost like having an animal. Every morning get up, take the plants out, and every night get over there and put them up, because otherwise the rats will eat them. Check out all these bugs. What are they called? Sand termites or something like that. Anyway, you can't even breathe outside. I told her all she has to do is put some planks up, and she can start some plants up in the windows. If she needs like a hot box. Look at this dumb butt, Niner. You think she can fight this tractor? Okay, you dummy. You can open these windows up, and there's one obviously that opens on each side, so you can really let the air flow if you want. But if you don't want that, come on, Billy. And there's a vent on each end, automatic vent. It opens up. That one's already starting to open. open too. So yeah, there's another 4 windows that can open extremely wide if you want. Well, I thought I'd give you guys an update since it's been a while since I found all of this that I'm showing you. Been so busy I haven't been able to put too much together, so I apologize for that. And the quality is not as good as usual, but I figured I got to keep it alive, you know, so I put what I could out. But anyway, this is what Kayla's doing with her greenhouse, and there's still work to be done. We've all been really busy working on other things, so just wanted to give y'all a little glimpse of what she's doing in here. This thing has been an amazing addition, where things won't grow outside because of the weather and our really poor soil, especially out there in the other greenhouse. It will grow in here, and she's had a pretty good success with it. And I know she's been terribly busy and hasn't really messed with much of it, but she's trying to salvage stuff like this. This was left on the porch, and these ferns, they can't handle the kind of heat we've had, so she's bringing them back to life. It's the opposite of what you might think when you see it, but she's put them out here, and now she's trying to get them to survive because they were just about dead. I mean, they were pretty much dead. Same thing with some of this other stuff. This is asparagus, and we just have the worst soil in the world out here. It's very difficult to grow anything, so we resorted to using a greenhouse.